Hello class, this is Tanya Bhattacharjee going to discuss a very important topic of macroeconomics, that is circular flow of income. Now what does circular flow of income means? Circular flow of income is a transfer of goods and services from one sector of the economy to other sector of the economy. Or in other words, it means what? Transfer, it is a real flow or money flow in an economy. Real flow or money flow in an economy. Now what does real flow means? Real flow means a transfer of goods and services and consumption of goods and services. It does not include any money. But in case of money flow, it includes only the monetary transfer, that is factor payments and the consumption expenditure. This is the what money flow means. So the system of interrelationship between major sectors of economic activity is called circular flow of income. The continuous flow of money income and flow of goods and services across different sectors of the economy is called circular flow of income. So in real flow, what happens? Goods and services get transferred and factor services get transferred. And in money flow, factor payments and consumption expenditure gets transferred. Now to explain the concept of circular flow of income, I'll use one diagram. In diagram, there are two sectors. One is farms and other one is households. Now what does households give to the farms? The household give to the farm factor services. Households give to the farm factor services, land, labor, capital and entrepreneurship. And in return, firms give to the household factor payments, rent, wages, interest and profit. Land gets rent, labor gets wages, capital gets interest and entrepreneurship gets profit. Now once this is done, the factor service which the households give to the firms is used by the firms and used in the production of various goods and services. So they supply final goods and services to the households. Now, the factor payments that the households received is used in the consumption of various goods and services produced by the farms. So it indicates that whatever the farm produces is consumed by the household. It signifies that there is no leakages in the system. Whatever is produced is being consumed. Whatever is earned is being spent. This is what the concept of circular flow of income. Thank you. The details of the notes is given in my video, in my shorts. You can collect it from there. Thank you.